Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back to part 2. Now that we've shaped our rice and started grilling, I'll show you how to glaze it, add flavors and serve it perfectly. Let's continue. How to make grilled sticky rice at home, step by step. Making grilled sticky rice is much simpler than you might expect. The process involves 3 main parts: proper cooking, shaping, and grilling until golden brown. You can easily master this technique with a standard grill or even a pan. Ingredients and tools you actually need. You'll be happy to know you don't need any specialty equipment. You just need a vessel that gets hot and a few basic ingredients. Ingredients: glutinous rice, water for cooking and soaking, a little salt, a light oil, light vegetable oil, and an optional glaze. For the savory glaze, keep egg, soy sauce, or fish sauce handy. You can also mix in flavor boosters like minced garlic, chopped green onion, or a pinch of chili flakes right into the cooked rice. Tools: a steamer or rice cooker for the rice, a spatula or tongs, and something to cook the rice on. While a charcoal grill gives the best smoky flavor, a gas grill, a cast iron grill pan, or even a non-stick pan work perfectly for achieving that crispy crust. Cooking sticky rice so it holds together on the grill. The secret to successful grilling is starting with firm, sticky rice that's not wet. First, rinse the rice thoroughly until the water runs mostly clear. This removes excess surface starch. Next, soak it. Traditionally, you soak sticky rice for several hours, but a quick soak of just 30 to 60 minutes often works well enough. Steam the rice until tender and entirely cooked through, which usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. Once cooked, the rice should be incredibly cohesive, clumping together easily when squeezed. It shouldn't be mushy or soupy. To prepare it for shaping, spread the hot cooked rice quickly onto a plate or tray to cool slightly. Cooling helps the moisture evaporate a bit, which makes the shaping easier and prevents sticking and cracking during grilling. Shaping patties, skewers, or rice balls that do not fall apart. Once the rice is warm, but cool enough to handle, it's time to shape it. There are 3 primary shapes that grill well. Flat patties. The most common shape, roughly the size of a coaster. They should be relatively thin, about as thick as your index finger, a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch. Thin patties heat and crisp evenly. Small logs or cubes on skewers. Firmly press the rice around short wooden skewers. Remember to soak wooden skewers in water for at least 30 minutes to prevent scorching on the grill. These are fun for dipping. Triangle or round rice balls. These are easier to handle and glaze. To form the shapes, lightly wet or oil your hands. This prevents the rice from sticking to you instead of holding its own shape. Press the rice very firmly together when shaping. If it feels too loose, press harder. Keep the pieces small so they are stable on the heat and cook consistently. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.